Hi, folks. This is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today to answer another Ask the Contractor question. This question comes from James P., and the question is, I want to enlarge my shower. The problem is that there will be a window in the shower. I want to keep the window because I don't want to change the outside look of my home. Do you have any suggestions? Well, James, that's a great question. And actually, I get that question a lot because many times you have a bathroom and there's a small shower in the bathroom. You want to make it larger. And the only impediment is the fact that you have a window that's going to now be encompassed into the shower. However, that's not a problem. You can have a window in the shower. But here are the four things that I want you to consider, and I want you to make sure that you get done in order to make this work and for you to be happy with the shower moving forward. Number one, you want to make sure that the window has tempered glass. So I'm going to suggest that you're going to have to replace this window to begin with. I mean, you could just take the existing window possibly and put some glass in here, but here's how I would approach it. I would plan on replacing the window. Number one, let's get tempered glass in the window. The reason we want tempered glass is because, number one, it's a code issue. Why is it a code issue? Because if you use standard glass in the window and it breaks, you're going to have all these pieces of glass on the floor, and chances are you're going to step on the glass and cut yourself. So number one, you want to make sure that the glass is tempered glass. The second thing is when you get this new window, I would recommend getting a replacement window. So basically how a replacement window works is that they take a new window and they put it in from the inside of the house. They slide it into the existing window frame. So the window that you see now is all new. The framing is actually hidden behind the wall, and you won't be able even to see it. Go with vinyl. The reason we want to go with vinyl is because we don't want wood in the shower, because wood has a tendency to rot. Vinyl won't rot. Next thing, number three, I would make sure that all of the trim on the inside of the window, like your wood window sill and the wood casing around the window, I would take all of that off and I would actually replace that trim with tile. So you come up with a tile pattern. It's going to look nice around the window. If you want to have a shelf, you can get a solid curb material, the same type of material that you would use on the shower curb. You can use that as the sill. Next thing is, and this is the last thing I would encourage everybody to do so that you're not giving a free show to the neighbor, I would get obscured glass. So there are my four tips on how you can keep a window in your shower. What's it going to cost you to do this? I would say, since you're buying one single window, when you call a window company, there's an upcharge to put one window in because of the cost of labor, because of the cost of coming out to the home to do that. Your cost is going to be somewhere installed around $2,000 to $2,500. If you needed other windows in your home and you were to buy four or more windows, that's typically the break-off point, you'll probably end up spending about $1,500. So, James, I hope that helps you out, and good luck with your new shower.